Hey class, it's Mrs. Tyndall here, and I've had some people that really liked this box method at the end of third period, and those in second period didn't get to see it. So I sent those in second period one example already, but I'm going to send another one to both classes. So if you're interested in the box method, go ahead and watch this example. If you're not interested, just delete the text and don't worry about it. But I'm going to go ahead and do number 4 from your book, which is 12x squared minus 4x minus 5. If we're using the box method, we're obviously going to draw a box, a 2 by 2 box. In fact, this first number comes from this first coefficient, so 12x squared. The last number is -5, so it goes in the last spot of our box. Then these two are going to have to do a little more work and figure out. So I'm going to just draw our diamond or an X. It's not necessary, guys. It's just how I organize my thoughts, so you don't have to do that. What you're thinking, though, is 12 times 5, -5 is -60. And this -4 was originally in the problem. So what we want to think about is two integers that multiply to -60 but add to -4. You might have to think about it for a minute. Maybe 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, and hopefully, eventually, you'll think of 6 and -10. What those numbers tell us are that our diagonal is going to be 6x and -10x. The reason I know they have an x here, even though I didn't write them here, is because they represent this middle term. So -10 plus 6 is -4. Now, I just work backwards in my Punnett square. And so if I cover up the box so that I only have these two, I'm going to think of the common factor of -10x and -5. They're both divisible by -5. Therefore, that was a good shot of the hand, guys. There's -5 there. I'm going to do that for each rectangle. So I'll go ahead and turn it that way. The common factor, oops, sorry. Let's try that again. The common factor of 12x squared and -10x, if we find that common factor, it'd be 2x. So 2x would go up top. Then the one that I just had, we'll go ahead and do. Common factor of 6x and -5 is 1. So here's where I'm at so far. Notice I'm missing a number here. So I want the common factor between these two. I'll go ahead and still cover it so that you can see what I'm looking at. Between 12x squared and 6x, the common factor is 6x. So wind the hand there for a minute. Let me focus that camera. Sorry for that. There's what we have. And that tells us our answer is 2x plus 1 and 6x minus 5. So we'll give you a zoom out shot there. Looking good. 2x plus 1, 6x minus 5. There you have the box method.